What information do I need to provide to withdraw Bitcoins to my bank account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to withdraw Bitcoins to your bank account. This process involves selling your Bitcoins for a fiat currency, like USD or EUR, and then transferring the money to your bank account. This can be a tricky process if you're new to cryptocurrencies, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in.
What is Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, without a central bank or single administrator, that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network. It's like digital cash that you can send or receive anywhere in the world. However, if you want to convert your Bitcoins into a traditional currency and send it to your bank account, there are a few steps you need to follow.
What do I need to withdraw Bitcoins to my bank account?
To withdraw Bitcoins to your bank account, you will need the following. 1. Bitcoin wallet. This is where your Bitcoins are stored. It could be a hardware wallet, software wallet, or even an online wallet provided by a cryptocurrency exchange. 2. Cryptocurrency exchange account. This is a platform where you can sell your Bitcoins for traditional currency. Some popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. 3. Bank account details. These include your bank account number, bank name, and routing number for U.S. banks, or SWIFT BIC code for international banks. 4. Government-issued ID. Most exchanges require you to verify your identity before you can make transactions. This is to prevent fraudulent activities.
How do I withdraw Bitcoins to my bank account?
Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Log into your cryptocurrency exchange account. You'll first need to log into the cryptocurrency exchange where you plan to sell your Bitcoins. 2. Sell your Bitcoins. Next, you'll sell your Bitcoins on the exchange. This will involve selecting a fiat currency to sell your Bitcoins for, such as USD or EUR. 3. Initiate a withdrawal to your bank account. After selling your Bitcoins, you'll need to request a withdrawal to your bank account. 4. Provide your bank account details. This will typically involve entering your bank account number and routing number for U.S. banks, or your bank name and SWIFT BIC code for international banks. 5. Confirm the transaction. Finally, you'll need to confirm the transaction. The exchange will likely send you an email or SMS to confirm the withdrawal. Please note that it may take a few business days for the money to appear in your bank account, depending on the bank and the exchange you're using. That's it, folks. This was a simple guide on how to withdraw Bitcoins to your bank account. Remember, the process involves selling your Bitcoins for a fiat currency and then transferring that to your bank account. Remember to be cautious and provide accurate bank details. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy trading!